So we just learned the square of a binomial pattern, and we learned that the quantity of a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and the quantity of a minus b squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And in this video, we are just going to do some example problems and practice using this idea. All right, so utilizing this formula. So my first example problem here, I'm doing a sum. I have 3x plus 4, the quantity squared. So my formula says that my first piece should be squared. In this case, I have 3x. So I am going to square that 3x plus a times b doubled, 2ab. 3x times 4 would be 12x. Double that, that's 24x. But actually, let's just fill in this formula. So I have 2 times the a value, which is 3x, times the b value, which is 4. Plus b squared, in this case, the b value is 4. So plus 4 squared. 3x squared, I got to do 3x times 3x. That is 9x squared. 2 times 4 would be 8. 8 times 3 is 24. This is plus 24x. Plus the 4 squared is 16. And I'm done. Notice that 3x was squared. That's the 9x squared. 4 was squared. That's the 16. And this middle piece was the product of these two things doubled. 3x times 4. And let's be clear here. My a value in that example was 3x. My b value was 4. Another example, we have the quantity of 5x minus 2y squared. In this problem, my a value is 5x and my b value. Be careful with this. Notice that the minus sign is built into this formula here. It's a minus the b squared is equal to this stuff. So minus the b squared, the b quantity squared. The b value is 2y here. So we don't need to include this negative when we're using this formula. So let's go through this. So my quantity of a minus b squared is equal to the first term squared. So in this case, I have 5x squared minus 2 a times b. My a value is 5x. My b value was 2y plus b squared. So plus the quantity of 2y squared. And make sure that when you write this, you do not write it like this. I don't want 2 times y squared, where only the y is being squared. I want to square all of b. And all of b is 2y, so I need to make sure that I'm squaring the quantity of 2, square 2y, the quantity of 2y. 5x squared, 5x times 5x is 25x squared. Multiply these together. 2 times 5 would be 10, times 2 would be 20. With the variables in there, I have 20xy, the minus sign in front. We got 20xy. 2y times 2y is plus 4y squared. And we're done. The quantity of 5x minus 2y, the quantity squared, is 25x squared minus 20xy plus 4y squared. Let's do this the old way real quick here just to show that this was legitimate. So if I have the quantity of 5x minus 2y squared, it's 5x minus 2y times 5x minus 2y. Let's FOIL this thing. 5x times 5x, 25x squared. 5x times negative 2y would be minus 10xy. Negative 2y times positive 5x minus 10xy. Negative 2y times negative 2y is plus 4y squared. These are like terms. Final answer, 25x squared minus 20xy plus 4y squared. Exactly the same thing that I got just by using the formula.